Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. Gorgeous, you rock. You'll not hear my mistake. And please, before you go, you need to support your girl. 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 So today's video, what we need to do is just the eyes, and I'm going to highlight and contour. That is it for today's video. So I'm going to set my concealer with a setting powder. So I'll be using this eyeshadow from SS My Must Haves as my transitional shade. I changed my brush. That brush was just too wide. I'm going to take that shade to add a little definition at the outer corner. I'm just going to press that shade in just to give me more yellow, because the yellow is not pronounced the way I want it, so just want to press that in. I'll take the brown, then add to just to blend this place. I'll take that smaller brush and go back to the first shade we used, the transitional shade, to blend the upper side of it. My brown. Draw my wing. So I'll be using this eyeliner Future Waterproof Black in Black to draw a wing. Eyelashes. So right now I'm going to conceal under my eye. setting powder. To use this bronzing powder to bronze my face. So I'm going to set the whole of my face with this powder. This one is from Essence. It's long lasting eye pencil. So I'm going to use that on my waterline. I'm going to use this to smoke under my eye, and I'm using this brush from BH Cosmetics. This one is a shade 107. I'll use this brush, the one we use on the brownie shade. I'll just use it, press that on the So I'll go back to my brush just to kind of blend it in. So this is the finished look, guys.
Mixed Dims and Engine.